I've come to this rubber field. It's in Bangladesh, and they create from these trees, they're rubber plant trees. They collect the rubber plants from these pots. Rubber, it leaks into these pots. They make sheets out of it, and rubber sheets. And with them rubber sheets, they create rubber materials such as big items, such as tires and stuff. As you saw earlier, the man was picking from the trees rubber liquid from the trees earlier. As you can see here, it's not milk, it's rubber that the man was collecting, and he's collected quite a lot, 2 buckets full, and this is the rubber liquid. As you can see, it's very sticky stuff, and this is how it looks like in the first process of how they make the plastics and rubbers from this liquid. I am in the kingdom of the tree plants in Bangladesh, Sylhet, Matiurra, Baramchal tea garden. It's very nice, as you can see, natural beauty all around me. It's amazing, really lovely. It's a place to come and see and enjoy the natural beauty of the tree plants and rubber trees and the other natural trees that are around. As you can see, there's so many. It's a really nice and peaceful area to come and relax and enjoy your travels and enjoy your time in Bangladesh. Now we've come to another part of this area where they do rubber plants, and they also do tea tree plants. As you can see, there's a new field over there to the right. They're doing a new setup of tea field. As you can see, they've cleaned it up and they've made the paths. So they're going to clean it up and they're going to do the planting of the new tree plants. And we're gonna go to another area where they've got more already planted tree plants, and we'll go there and we'll go and see the tree plants. See this little stream here, it's totally natural and it's very clean water. It's coming from the underground and it's giving supply to the tea tree plants and the rubber tree plants, in this whole area that we've just seen. It's a natural clean water and it's coming from the underground, totally fresh, totally clean, and this is what supplies the water to the plants and the trees. As you can see, the beauty of this tea tree plant field is so beautiful, and it's very nice when you're actually here. Seeing it in person is very nice, and it looks so amazing. It's very peaceful, very calm, and it's such a wonderful scenery to come and see for yourself So maybe one day you could come and see it like me and enjoy it yourself.